Hello, welcome to the Moon Scarab channel. My name is Ramon. On this video, I'm going to do a walkthrough of this deck that I received from a deck creator. Her name is Hattie Thorn. She's a deck creator who is based in United Kingdom, specifically on the Northeast, on a city called Sunderland. I just did a review and a walkthrough on this deck, which is another one I got from her, called the Retro Poster Tarot. An amazing deck, which is inspired on old movie posters. She's a graphic designer. She's a one-woman show who creates her own decks, designs them, and this deck is amazing. Her artistry is fantastic. So I was really excited to get this deck when I saw it. And not only this one, but this one's called Cybertarot, 78 card tarot deck by Hattie Thorn. I know futuristic decks are not everybody's cup of tea, but I'm a person who's always loved science fiction. Even since I was a kid, one of my first toys were Star Wars toys. I'm a big Star Wars fan. Not so much Star Trek, never liked Star Trek, but I like everything related with post-apocalyptic, high-tech future. And I was looking for a tarot deck that had that theme, but everything that I saw, I don't know, like I couldn't connect with until I saw this one. And I fell in love right away with the images. I mean, you guys are going to see it, but it keeps the essence of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, but with her interpretation of a cyber future. So let's take a look at the box. It says Cybertarot with her logo. It's exactly the same logo right here. And the back, it has a sample of 6 cards. So it says, Cybertarot is a futuristic take on the traditional Rider-Waite deck. Based on the familiar symbols and imagery, this deck was inspired by cyberpunk and modern themes. Step into this post-apocalyptic world and unlock your intuition. Her website and her Instagram account. So let's take a look at this deck. This is a tuck box packaging. So we're going to go through all 78 cards so you can see the artistry and the beauty of this deck. And it speaks to me. And this is just a snapshot of a time of a physical world based on the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, which are mirrors of humanity. This deck, like with the other one, is 350 GSM. The cardstock is really good. This is the back of the cards. You see it evokes neon, high technology, geometric shapes. If we compare it with a regular tarot card, it's exactly the same size. And so let's take a look. The Fool. So we had the Fool with a dog on what seems to be a cliff. I mean, if you see this in person, the details of the buildings and the skyline is amazing. The colors are beautiful. The Magician. Look at that. This is gorgeous. The High Priestess. Isn't she beautiful? And the fonts are perfect. I love the frame too. And I've said it before, I'm not really a fan of border decks. It has to integrate with the artwork for me to work. The Empress. She looks like she's pregnant, so it captures that spirit of nature, motherhood, abundance, femininity. The Emperor. The Hierophant. You see it says spirituality, organized religion, a cleric figure, people looking at it. Even though it's not explicit, you can tell, if you know the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, you can see right away all the elements. The Lovers, my significator. This is a beautiful card. And the colors are done in such a way that even though this is paper, this is cardboard, it looks like you're looking at a screen, at a monitor, because the way the colors are worked, it pops, it shines, you know. It reflects light beautifully. The Chariot is actually the cover of this card. This box. Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. This is beautiful. I mean, it's in the future, but it somehow can be in the past too. If it's not because of the color of this lamp, it's atemporal. You wouldn't be able to place it because it's raining. It seems like it's raining, so you're not able to tell really what's on the background. The Wheel of Fortune. I mean, these colors, they just work fantastically. Justice. You see her with the scales right here and the sword. It's faithful to the Rider-Waite-Smith imagery. The Hangman. That's a robot or a cyborg. Death. This is my favorite card so far. Look at that. Look how the colors pop. And you feel you're actually looking at some laser rays right there. Temperance. Amazing. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. This is beautiful. If you look at this card in person, you feel like it's shining in your face. Love the effect. Judgment. The World. So the minor arcana, each one of them, this is not a pip deck. Each one of the minor arcana also have images. So this is a complete, beautiful deck. Three of Wands. Love that contrast of natural and synthetic, earth and robotics. Look at that. Four of Wands. I mean, the choice, and what I like too is the consistency in the colors and the style, and it is a complete deck. Love it. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Oof, Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. It's something or someone carrying all this technology, all this hardware. Beautiful. Knight of Wands. These are the core cards, which are more like faces. Suit of Cups. Okay. Ace of Cups. See that connection of divinity, like with the Ace of Cups, with the actual cup. Colors are consistent, the artwork, everything. There's nothing out of place. There's a story in each one of the images. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. The characters in contemplation, looking at far away in this high-tech futuristic city full of monitors and technology, and still who knows where this person's mind is. Five of Cups. Wow. Looks like an industrial post-apocalyptic background. A flood maybe? Who knows? But it still captures the spirit of the Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Kids, playful. A kid playing with a small robot. Seven of Cups. A lot of options. A lot of scenes and monitors. A lot of things to choose from. That's kind of our world right now, right? We have so much information, so much input, so much to process, and yet, we have to make the choices of what we want to bring into our lives. Eight of Cups. Amazing. Look at the details. Wow. Nine of Cups. This is really cool. Ten of Cups. Beautiful. And this is a very interesting family composition. This looks like an older guy with, older gentleman or older person. And, it's not exactly the same as what we see in the Rider-Waite-Smith, but it's an actual version of maybe today's one of the many family compositions that we have today. Beautiful. You still have the rainbow and a splash of colors at the bottom. Page of Cups. Beautiful. It's all blue. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. Wow, that's beautiful. Beautifully done. Ace of Swords. Look how gorgeous that sword is. Two of Swords. The original is a blindfolded person. Is this person blindfolded, or is he looking at augmented reality? Who knows? But yeah, it captures the spirit. You're not looking with your physical eyes. Three of Swords. Wow. Four of Swords. Five. Six. Really nice. Beautiful. The quality is consistent in each one of the cards. The storyline, the colors, everything is really cohesive. And each one of them tells a story too. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Wow, she's tied up with cables and, yeah, with technology. It almost looks like she's tied up with some technological bomb or something. It captures the spirit of the card really nicely. Nine of Swords. Ten of Swords. Page. The Knight. Really cool. Queen. And King. Cardstock is fantastic. It's just fantastic. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Look how beautiful that image is. I mean, I'm fascinated with this deck. An instant favorite. Three of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Five. Six. There's an exchange there. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. You see the mastery, the original Rider-Waite-Smith, you have a guy working on the coins. Here, he looks like an industrial worker working on some hardware. It captures the spirit, that mastery, that finesse, the refinement of doing your craft. But in this case, it's in the future. Nine of Pentacles. You know, the lady with the coins and the falcon. But in this case, it's a break from that hardware technology into a gorgeous lady who's enjoying nature. Ten of Pentacles. And then we have the court cards. Page, the Knight. I like this Knight. Queen of Pentacles. She looks like from not entirely human, right? But still beautiful. So does he. Doesn't look entirely human, and yet he's beautiful. Yeah, so this is an amazing deck. I love it. Love the topic, love the story in each one of the cards, love that it's in a distant future, science fiction type, cyberpunk, but still it keeps the essence of the imagery of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck. An instant favorite, I'm telling you. I love this deck. I was looking for a cyberpunk, Cybertarot theme deck, and this just hit the mark on everything. If you want to take a look at her site and some of her other decks, I'm going to link the page below. If you want to see the walkthrough of this deck, I'm going to link it below too. Amazing. I can't say it's as amazing because it's something totally different, but bravo. I love it. I love it. Great job. And thank you, Hattie Thorn, for making this available to the tarot community, for your time and your efforts in the quality. This is just a gift to a lot of us who love science fiction and still love tarot. And with this deck, you were able to fill that niche, which is not that easily available to find a really good one in the market. So thank you very much. Thank you everybody for watching. And as always, blessings to all.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And click the subscribe button for more future videos about tarot, divination, and other esoteric topics.